Medyo offensively things were falling our way and they were also scoring and out-rebounding us. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung trabaho nila.
Coach, any adjustments that you saw needed for today in preparation for your next games?
Get well. Yan ang pinaka-importante adjustment.
Thanks, Coach. JD, congrats on leading your team. Talk about the responsibilities on your shoulders, lalo na yun na maraming outside na dahil sa injuries.
I think Coach Jong played is 3 and 4. So I think wala namang problem for me pero nakapagod din. I think yung nga yung next gusto namin gawin is to get better as yung health namin as a whole team.
JD, ano naman masasabi mo sa teammates mo who are on the ball today who really showed up for the team?
I think it showed it. The 7 games that we won, almost every game, iba yung best player play. Rookies, Robert Bowling, now ako. It's a testament to how Coach Jong wants his system to work. It's everybody. It's being selfless. It's being happy for the next one, for the next team. Oh, sorry. Ulitin ko ba?
JD, ano naman yung pakiramdam mo, being here in this room, leading your team to win this game?
Last time nandito, trainer syempre. So it's nakakatuwa. It's a good feeling talaga. Not only for me, I think for everybody here in this team, for the coaches, even the utilities na we're really happy kasi hindi lang kami nakakabonus eh. Lahat sila nakakabonus, everybody.
Coach Jong, balik naman po ako sa inyo. Ano yung masasabi mo sa people this conference, what will try, and how everyone gels together?
I think it's having an open mind to the way we want to play. That's one, and I think second is their selflessness. Na maski na sino mag-best player, sino magandang laro, they don't really mind. In fact, they encourage everybody to play, to do well. Yun, malaking bagay kasi yun sa isang team na inuuna niya yung kapakanan ng team kaysa ng sarili niya. Everybody knows that one. And I think this is one of the teams that are selfless.
We are now moving to floor to begin any questions.
Coach, congrats po sa history mo sa yung tatlong teams na every question was secure this part sa finals. So, una yung top 3. Now we expect for you guys to face for the top 4 that was the game. Your case for the top 4.
Yeah. Ano yan eh? Hindi pa naman kami sure yata ng top 4. I don't know the magic number of the top 4. But still, kailangan namin ng panalo mas paano in our next 2 games. Sabi ko nga, pag nasa top 4 tayo, malakas ang kalaban sa baba kasi umakyat yung mahina. Hindi ko sabi mahina kami, pero di ba? Pero pag nasa baba kami, malakas din ang katapat namin. So, maski na saan mo kami ilagay, malakas ang katapat eh. So, but we like to get to the top 4, pero naman, meron kaming twice to big advantage, maski pa paano. So, yun yung namin, yung goal namin.
What's your experience against Mongolia? Malaking test sa inyo, considering na sabi naman lahat na nangyayari ng this conference, panay-bago sa inyo. So, big test we're looking for.
Oo nga, kaya nagpalakas yun kasi kami sunod na kalaban.
Kami talaga pinagandaan.
Ganun, kung malakas sila, basta gawa lang kami ng paraan. Kaya ngayon, kulang-kulang kami. Gawa lang ng paraan. subok lang, effort lang. Yan. Malakas ang Magnolia, alam naman natin yun. Laban lang. Yun lang yung ano namin. Approaching the game.
Gabi, alam natin na sign may
10 years.
Lumaya motivation ba? Napaganda yung laro.
Oo naman, syempre it's food on the table, sabi ko nga eh. Lalo na if you're 1 year, 1 year, malaking blessing na lalo na if you sign with NLEX pa, really generously, talagang hindi lang on and off the court. So it's tama, it's added motivation for Milana and up against former team ko rin, Phoenix.
Yung umpisa nga, nakakalito yung umpisa ng conference, nung dating niya, nalilito pa si JB, Mascaro nalilito, saan mo siya lalagay sa 4 o sa 3, talagang nakakalito. Kaya medyo struggle si JB. So ngayon, he is more of a 3 na malaki na yung adjustment niya, na malaki din bagay sa amin na nandito si JB.
Mahal na ako ni Coach Long.
So, seven lang sa position.
Hindi ko naman, kasi all the burden is on Robert Bowling. When every time we play, I just play off kung nilalaro ni Robert, kung nilalaro ni Cyrus. Everybody on the team. That's my kind of game.
Gabi, alam natin nagkasama yung ni Robert sa Bella before. Your thoughts na, ito, you're going for another shot at sa
Ayun, the usual, nagyayabang na naman. Siya na bumuhay ng career ko. Pero ano lang yun, katuwaan na. Pero I think Robert knows me. Pero it's parang different, parang nung college kami, mas playing the 4. Siya, same. Pero it's a different Robert Bowling now. Na he can really control generational talent, if I can say, di ba, si Robert. Now, I get to feed off that. So malaking bagay na rin sa akin.
Just to add up sa is that extra motivation for you to show that
siguro, there's always a chip on my shoulder, whatever team you're shining. I just have, I have to prove, not to anybody at all, just to myself, na, I have a value and that I can still play at high level.
You're now closing the post-game press conference. Congratulations to the Olympics.
Thank you. Congrats, Shane.